To make the best Dauphinoise potatoes you will ever taste, gather 4 large potatoes. Begin by peeling and slicing them thinly using a mandoline or knife. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk. Add 2 cloves of garlic, minced finely, a pinch of nutmeg, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Heat this mixture over low heat and allow it to simmer gently. Avoid letting it boil. Meanwhile, thoroughly butter a baking dish. Arrange the sliced potatoes in layers within the dish. Once your creamy mixture is ready, evenly pour it over the layers of potatoes. Make sure to distribute the liquid so that it reaches all parts of the dish. Generously sprinkle grated Gruyère cheese over the top. Cover the dish with aluminum foil and place it in the oven. Bake for 45 minutes covered and then remove the foil. Continue baking for an additional 15 minutes or until the top becomes golden and the dish is bubbly. Allow the dish to cool for a few minutes before serving. The result is a luxurious, creamy, and cheesy dish of Dauphinoise potatoes that will elevate any meal.